When you're ready to locate the Wi-Fi in your vehicle, you're going to go to your home screen. It's going to give you all of your widgets. Click settings. Once you're into settings, you can scroll through the settings. We're going to find connection settings right here. We'll click Wi-Fi. We can open up and turn on your Wi-Fi right here by clicking the first button. If you want to connect with your phone, you're going to go into your phone settings and you're going to go to your Wi-Fi on your phone settings. We're going to look for Audi MMI. If you click on the Wi-Fi hotspot, it'll give you all the information. So we're going to go ahead and ask to join. Once we join, we're going to put in our password. MHRB. And then we join. And we should automatically connect to our hotspot.